Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can read candlestick and volume in trading on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, open your Robinhood app and go to the stock or crypto you want to analyze. On the chart screen, tap the expand icon to open the full chart view. At the bottom, you'll see different chart options. Select the candlestick chart option instead of the line chart. Each candlestick shows the price movement within a specific time frame, for example 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 day. A green candle means the price went up during that time, and a red candle means the price went down. The body of the candle shows the opening and closing prices, while the thin lines above and below, called wicks or shadows, show the highest and lowest prices reached during that time. Now, to read volume, look at the small bars below the chart. These represent the trading volume for each candle. A tall volume bar means many people traded during that period, and a short bar means lower activity. When you see a big green candle with high volume, it usually means strong buying pressure, while a big red candle with high volume means strong selling pressure. You can change the time frame to study short-term or long-term trends using the time selector at the bottom. And that's it. Now you know how to read candlestick patterns and volume charts in Robinhood to make better trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.